Hey y'all, thanks for stopping in. Appreciate you taking time out of y'all's busy schedule to stop in and see what it is I'm up to. I'm about ready to sit down and have me some chow. I'll get to that in a minute. If you look down here, let's see, where's my finger? That tower down there, that's the Dames Point Bridge. Right now we're having gusts of wind upwards of 30 miles an hour. I just come across that bridge. It was hairy. My goodness gracious. We were climbing along at about 20 miles an hour. The wind gusts would come by. And I'm not driving a really big vehicle. And it would move me sideways. And I mean, some of those trucks were dancing over the lines. Like, oh my goodness. It is windy. I've got the windows cracked open. But you can kind of see what it's doing to the river here. Those towers there in the background, that is the Jacksonville Electric water cooling towers. It's been decommissioned. But yeah, you can see the size of these waves on the river. And I'll post some videos. This is one of my favorite spots to go to. I'll post some videos in the links down below that I've been in this basically same area with the big ships going down the river. So anyway, let me turn this off, reconfigure the camera, and we'll get on with what I'm getting on with. Hey, I'm back. Now I know, I mean, some of y'all are up there, up in the Northeast, where they're having another nor'easter coming in. My mom said something about 22 inches of snow. One of y'all said something about 16, 18 inches in Philadelphia. That's downright nuts. It's in the mid 60s thereabouts here, and really windy. Anyway, I stopped at one of the convenience stores, Gate gas station. They're all over down here, and the places are huge. And they have these. Most of the roller things are $1.75 or $1.79, and then you buy a second one and it's $1. So I got two of these for just under $3. This is a cheeseburger sausage, and then I've got a salsa, ketchup, onion, and relish. I hadn't had these before. That's actually not too bad. I had intended to do a few things today, but couldn't find all the paperwork I needed. I had to confer with a couple of my daughters, figure out what they did with everything. So I'll go back and see if I can find the paperwork. I was going to come out here and shoot off my new slingshots. I think it might be too windy. I don't know, I may give it a shot. Really wouldn't be very accurate gauge of their strength. So shooting either into the wind or with the wind. And like I said, some of these the wind is blowing, it's blowing steady at about 15-20 mile an hour and gusting higher. Well, no, probably steady at 10 to 15. It's definitely kicking up some waves on the river. That was tasty. I'm glad I bought a second one. But I'm not gonna make you sit here and watch me eat the second one. So I'm gonna clock out of here for now. I don't know if I'll do an outgo. I may end up doing an outgo later, but we'll see what happens. I'll see how it turns out when I do slingshot. Maybe I'll have something else to add into the end of this. So anyway, see you a little further down the road. We are about to go back over the Dames Point Bridge. Headed south on Interstate 295 over the Dames Point here in Jacksonville. See how the wind treats us. Big truck before we get up on the bridge. Coming the other way, those trucks were dancing. Feeling too bad. Oh, it's rocking some. on the downside. That wasn't too bad. I'll tell you, going the other way, it was rocking and rolling. I'm still fighting it a little bit. It's pulling me back and forth. Let's see what else we got going. Hey, I'm back. I guess I have to do an outgo. I was off on my wind speeds, more or less. At the airport, they were clocking wind speeds of 40 and 45 miles an hour, and just downriver, at Mayport Naval Station, which is when we're looking down the river, at that one point there's a big ship sitting there that's pretty much just across the river is Mayport, and they were having speeds of 52 miles an hour. So yeah, pretty gusty winds. Anyway, let me know what you think. Thumbs down, thumbs up, leave me a comment wherever it is y'all leave comments on your internet access device of choice. If you'd like to share me around on your social media, that would be fandoculous. If you want to check out my Facebook, there'll be a link in the description box, along with some other videos of the river and whatnot. So if your loved ones are nearby, give them a kiss and a hug. If they're not, give them a call, hit them up on Facebook. You never know when the last time you get to say goodbye is the last time you get to say goodbye. So, till I see y'all again, I hope you have a fandoculous day. Slunchy, y'all.